Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based here in Merebrow between Preston and sunny Southport. And this afternoon I'm delighted to offer this 2016 BMW 420d M Sport Coupe. It's the 6-speed manual. The car was registered in October of 2016. Registration Yankee Juliet 66 Zulu X-Ray Brava. You please use that registration number if you're checking out your insurance. This car comes with a host of additional features. Before I forget, go to www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Just making sure I've not forgotten anything on the spec details, but we'll start off with the electric sliding sunroof. Quite a rare option, but as you'll see in the background there, we have another 420d M Sport also equipped with the roof. So if you're searching particularly for sunroof, there's two models, both in Estoril Blue, in stock at the moment. So electric sunroof, electric folding door mirrors, electric seats with driver memory, satellite navigation, auto dimming rear view mirror, Black Dakota leather, DAB digital radio, drive performance control, enhanced Bluetooth telephone with the telephone charging in the center armrest, full service history which is independently being carried out. I do know the customer, I do know the car, and I do know the garage that our customer has had the vehicle serviced with, and we have the receipts and records of proof of work that has been carried out on the vehicle. All cars that come into us come in with all cars that come in we then immediately take down to Holmeswood Garage, where the vehicle has the all-important pre-delivery inspection and 12 months MOT. The car's up to date with its servicing, so there's nothing to do there. We have changed the rear brake pads as they were due in around 4,000 miles, so rather than leave them and getting the next customer to do them, we believe in making sure the car's right before the cars go out, so we've replaced the rear brake pads. Going back to the spec, interior comfort package and Wi-Fi hotspot preparation as well, this car. So a very nice specification indeed. We have over 35 years experience and knowledge within the industry. We have over 270 5-star reviews, which you can find on Auto Trader, Facebook and Google. We are on all the social media platforms: WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, importantly for the videos. We also offer free UK delivery to your home or to work, so please ring us for further details. Just take you around the car. Got lovely paintwork on the vehicle. The nice xenon lights with the BMW sort of rings within the headlight unit themselves. The LED lighting. We are on run flat tyres. Got the 18-inch M double spoke alloys. Got the nice gloss finish around the mirrors and around the window frames as well. Glass sliding sunroof. Nicely finished off. Looks really well in the Estoril Blue. The rear parking sensors, the twin exhaust pipes with the chrome tailpieces. There's one word I missed out when I introduced the car, which I'll come through, which I'll tell you about in a second. You may have just spotted it as I went round the rear of the car. xDrive, BMW's version of Quattro, like Audi. We have xDrive 4x4 system with BMW. To the rear of the car, with the stowage net just to help secure any items that you might place underneath, stop them sliding around. We have some extra storage in the rear. We also have the first aid kit, and in here we have the tool kit with the all-important locking wheel nut key. Locking wheel nut key, very important. Of the warning triangle as well. Nice across the top of the rear bumper. Sun protection glass as well. Let's go down the side of the car. Lovely condition. Power fold door mirrors, I'll just demonstrate them now when I open the door. We have a nice anthracite finish to the door card with the blue inlays, which denotes the M Sport derivative. If they are red, that's the Sport. And then we have the aluminium inlays in the door handles here as well. So we have electric windows at the front, electric mirror adjustment, and folding door mirrors. There we go. Got the M Sport kick plate. We have the electric seats with memory for the driver's seat. We have your lumbar support setting, the recline for the back of the chair, forward and backwards, and you can set the position, all that in. You'll hear a chime that's locked into position 1. You can either move the seat forward to allow entry into the back, or you can actually move the seat forward as well to maybe gain you a little bit more entrance and exit out of the vehicle. You've got the lovely Black Dakota leather with the centre armrest, nicely finished. Sunshine roof, electric sliding. I'll press this button here. Wrong way. There we go. That's the roof in operation. You have the sort of wind deflector there, and then we'll just press that back like so. And there she goes. And then we also have the blind, which comes across as well, just to finish off the anthracite headlining. We've got the stowage in the back of the seats. I'm just going to move that back slightly whilst I jump in. Just close the door and straighten the steering wheel. There we go. Quite warm out there, 24.5 degrees. We've also got 141 miles left on the tank with current mileage 24,313 miles. You've got your front and rear fogs, auto lights, and that brightens and darkens the rear stack, which is at the back of the lights, back of the clock, should I say. We've got the auto wipers, indicators and main beam stalk, and the parking light on the left hand side. We have, for the Bluetooth, we have the voice control, volume, mode. I'm not going to press that at the moment, but that takes you to different media settings. I've done it before now. Press it, it cuts my camera off, so because my phone's trying to connect, and then you have the answer and killing the phone at the end of the conversation. Horn in the centre. We have speed limiter and cruise control. Centre armrest, which does in actual fact extend and moves forward. Put that back. We have the charge pad for your iPhone. Put your phone in there and that extends. I'm saying iPhone, I'm assuming it's all phones. You've got the aux and USB connections as well. The iDrive with media, communications, menu, map, navigation, and your back button. Nice leather bound handbrake with leather bound gear knob as well. We have the parking sensors, traction control on or off, and you have the performance drive settings, so that allows you, if I just move the camera up to the screen, we can set the suspension settings. We have Sport, we have Sport Plus, which takes off the traction control, so be very careful with that. You'll see if I just do that again, I'll just show you on the dash, dynamic traction control deactivated. It shows the little light off as well. Even though it's on, it means the system's off. We also have Sport Comfort. Tend to find that 90% of cars that come in are in the comfort setting, and we also have Eco Pro to maximise the efficient driving. We've got auto lock, hazards in the centre, heated seats, passenger and driver, aircon, recirculation of air, direction for the air, your blower speed, heated rear screen, direction for passenger. That forces all the air to the front screen, and again you can also have that on auto, or you can just manually operate it yourself. You'll actually inside, so you'll hear that power up now as it tries to cool the interior of the car. I'll just override it slightly to bring the fan speed down. We certainly don't need the seats on. We have a USB connection on the dash as well. 2 keys, importantly, 2 keys, book pack, locking wheel nut key. Very, very important. Stowage, 2 cups, and 12-volt charging facility as well. Just quickly take you through on the iDrive settings. So we have, there we are, we're on Rock FM, that's the Preston radio station. Press that in again, gives you DAB, digital radio, FM, AM, your music collection, auxiliary, Racing Eyes My phone, so it's hooked up. I can't just stream anything at the moment with it being on the video. We also have the Spotify as well. Back to the radio, there we go. If we go back to the menu, it comes up with, there we are, just as I've mentioned on the iDrive, media, communication, navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, and notifications. So communication being your telephone, so that's my phone hooked up. If we go back again, we have the navigation, and if I go down there, you can go down to map, or you can simply press the map button on the iDrive. That's us, near brow. And if we just take a pan out there, that's the northwest. So I say we're in between Preston and sunny Southport. That's the northwest. And back in now to Mere Brow. Lots of different functions on here. So one where you need to sit down, look at all these apps, you need to sit down and work your way through them. Lots of technology built into the BMW. Back to memory again. My vehicle, driving information. You've got your iDrive settings, vehicle settings, where you can change your lights, doors and keys, speed warning, driving mode, auxiliary ventilation, vehicle tracking, vehicle status, important, tyre pressure monitor. We've got oil level, check control, service requirements. So oil not due for 9,000 miles or July next year. Brake fluid July next year. Vehicle inspection August next year. Vehicle check July 23 or 24,000 miles time. Front pads, 23,000 miles worth of life left on the front pads. Rear pads, 26,000 miles. Front pads were recently replaced as well. As I say, lots of technology, lots to learn about your new car. Lovely to drive, very responsive, lovely 2-litre diesel engine. Anything else you wish to know, either give us a call, contact us through the social media platforms, or just pick up the phone and give us a call, or even drop us an email. But I hope you've enjoyed the video on the 420d M Sport with the electric roof, Yankee Juliet 66 Zulu X-Ray Bravo. Thank you very much for watching.